Well, parallel, goes through pair 35, goes through parallel. So you can we're right on the coast. We're right on, not on the Gulf of Mexico, but there's a base.